Hi, Miss Francis here again, and today we're formulating a facial oil, a facial elixir, facial oil serum, anyhow you want to call it, it's all the same thing. Alright, so in our last video we did a little research and I wanted to come on camera and do that little research with you all about oils for different skin types, right? I have oily skin, I still get breakouts, so I love oils. But when I started to use facial oils a few years ago, when I became an esthetician, that changed the game for me. When I'm not consistent with my facial routine, I would get a breakout here or there, but with a nice facial oil that's made for you, you can't go wrong. Scars will be gone, no breakouts. It's just had everything under control and I had that smooth skin, that nice glow. So the formulation that I'm doing today for you all on camera, it's my favorite. It's designed for me. Of course, as I said before, feel free to play with the formulation, figure out what's best for you. That is why we did the video and the research, so you guys could come up with a formulation for yourself, your own skin type, for a family member, a friend, for your business line, however it goes. But this is just a starting ground, a stepping stone, right? So I'm just gonna do one here for me. Obviously we'll do other videos and some more, so tell me which one you want to see next and we'll do something for that. We can add some active ingredients and we can go all out. But today we're doing a facial oil for oily skin. Let's go. All right, so before we get started, it have 5 questions, and I'm sure it have more, but it have 5 questions I always ask myself before I make a product or before I decide to formulate something new. And those questions would be: what skin type? Number 1. Who is this for? So what skin type or skin concerns am I trying to target here? Skin issues. What are the problems that skin type will have? So I make a list of that. That's why I always have my book around. Literally, always have my book, because I have to write on that. I need to know, right? And then once I have the skin type and the skin issues, what ingredients, what in this case, what oils am I going to use to help fix these problems, skin types and issues, to help these skin types and issues? So that's question number 3. Number 4, how you want it to feel. Do you want it to sit on top of the skin, slow penetrating? Do you want it to penetrate fast? That's also an important question. And last but not least for me is, what color do I want this oil to look? Am I going fancy? Do I want it to look a bit blue? Do I want it to look green? Do I want it to look dark orange? Do I want it just to look like oils? How I want it to smell is another question. So you see, that's 6. So these are questions you have to think about when you're formulating something, because if you're doing it for friends, family, or yourself, you may not have to think about that. But if you're going to be formulating, or you're starting a brand or a business, you need to think about these things, because your customers, believe me, customers are picky. They don't want nothing smelling too funky in the face, no matter how good it is sometimes. All right. So questions. Those are the questions. So let's get formulating. Let's formulate. Okay, so in that video you saw the oils I choose to use. Now in the last video you will see the benefits of it, so I didn't go through that again in this video. Here is the oil. This is what we just formulated. I have my cute little label on it. I am going to be giving away some sample of these. All right, not a whole one, of course. I am going to be giving away some samples of these. So if you want to be able to win one of those, so you can try my facial and see if it works for you, like, share, make sure you're subscribed, follow us on our social media accounts. That's all you need to do. Once you share the video, we'll be notified. We'll put your name in a nice little bucket, bin, bowl, bag, and we're gonna pick from that, and your name is going to be announced on the following video. So whatever we formulate in the next video, you're going to see the winners, and it's going to be up on our Instagram. So follow us on IG. All right, follow us on Facebook. We are on Twitter as well, Kylex Naturals. Look for us, follow us. You're going to have a lot more of these formulating series coming out, because that's what we're about right now. With all that said and done, happy formulating. Bye.